All right, so you want to learn how you can grow on Instagram without Reels in 2023. I have got you covered. So I've been doing this thing where I've been solely growing my Instagram. So my team isn't helping me. Nobody's helping me. It's literally just little old Maria growing my Instagram. And I have learned so much even in the last month. And one of the things I'm amazed at is how much growth is coming, not from my Reels, but from my Instagram carousels. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you the stats, my Reels that I'm doing versus my carousels that I'm doing, and the reach that I'm getting on both. And then what I'm going to show you is how I create my carousels, because I think they're actually really cool, but they're so easy to make. So that's what I'm going to show you today, how to grow on Instagram without Reels in 2023. So let me just go to one of my favorite carousels here. So we'll view the insights. You can see it had almost 500 likes, a bunch of comments, 61 shares, and almost 600 saves. Now it reached, I don't think it reached that many accounts. It reached less than 10,000 accounts. About half of those were non-followers. I got about 40 follows from that carousel. Pretty decent, I think. And if you actually look at what this carousel is, I mean, it's literally just text. And then we compare that to... And by the way, I'm here with my daughter today. We're having a mommy and daughter day, and she's basically coming with me to work while we film today. So if you hear her in the background, that's her happily crawling on the floor. Okay, so now let's compare some of the reels here. This was what I would consider is a good reel. If we view the insights, you can see it had, quite a bit less shares, some saves, 0 shares, 28 saves. And then we'll go to like one of my better ones that I have pinned at the top, and it had 49 shares and 182 saved. So pay attention to that. My best reel, I'm so used to tuning her out. I don't even hear her. So my best reel got me nowhere near as shares and saves as my best carousel. The point is, if you don't want to create reels, but you want to grow on Instagram, I think you absolutely can. Okay, so how I create carousels is almost stupid simple. It's really, really easy. I go into my notes, and I type how to make carousels every day without burning out. I go back, choose this arrow. And then what I do is I just sort of like go down like this. I hit enter again. I pull it down. I wait for like the sidebar scrolly to go away. And then I just take a screenshot. Then I'll do, let's just say, step 1. Decide all your topics a week in advance. I'm just making stuff up here. Sub tip 1, sub tip 2. Just again, we're just like, for example. Then take a screenshot of that. And then what I'll do is I will go to Instagram. I have all my Instagram notifications turned off because it just gets to be so much. You turn on the carousel option. I pull it down like that. Pull it down like that. Then you literally just post it. So again, like that's how I do it. It's really, really simple. Some people do it in Canva, and I think that's totally fine. But for me, it's actually way easier to just type the notes on my phone, screenshot them, and upload them to Instagram. I can do one every single day very easily. I cannot stand the Canva mobile app. So if I were to design in Canva, I'd have to get on my desktop every day. And with a baby, I'm just not able to do that every single day. So for me, this works really well. So my unproven Instagram theory is that the most important thing is shares. For whatever reason, I notice if I create content that has a ton of shares, it's the content I get the most followers on. It's the content I get the most leads from. It's just the best content I feel. So in your caption, you're going to want to make sure to prompt them to share that carousel post with their friends, with their biz besties, with whoever it's relevant to. Now, here's the thing. You are actually going to be overwhelmed by the amount of leads you get from creating content like this. At least I was. I could not believe the amount of leads we were getting from these simple carousels. It was kind of overwhelming. So what's going to happen is you're going to get immediately overwhelmed, and you're not going to know how to turn those leads into clients. So I've actually created something for you. I've put together some of my best scripts, some of my best templates, my whole process for turning those Instagram leads into customers, into clients. If you want to get a copy of them, right now I'm running a flash sale where you can get 24 of my best business courses, including the one that I put together about turning Instagram leads into clients, for just $24. Okay, Ellie, tell them they can get all the courses for $24. Link in the description in order to grab those while they're still on sale.